Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So just a quick update on the coronavirus situation. The main reason why the Japanese number is so high is because of a cruise ship that docked in Yokohama a couple weeks ago. There has been reported that about 70 plus more people have tested positive for the coronavirus, and this brings the number to 416. I am going to leave the link with this information in the description box below, so you can check that out, guys. Also, 2 Japanese persons have tested positive for the coronavirus. I will be inserting a video that has more information on this.
We begin in Japan. Japanese officials have confirmed 2 new cases of the coronavirus that sickened tens of thousands of people around the world. The new patients are a nurse and a health ministry official. Kanagawa Prefecture says a nurse who tested positive is in her 40s. She treated the elderly woman who died last week in Sagamihara City near Tokyo, the first death tied to the virus confirmed by Japan. The other patient is a worker with the health ministry. The man in his 50s was gathering information aboard the Diamond Princess cruise ship. It's been quarantined in a Yokohama harbor for nearly 2 weeks. Officials say he was not in close contact with any passengers or crew. The government's chief spokesperson says Japan is asking for the public's cooperation in efforts to contain the spread of the virus.
Health experts say they are finding they cannot trace the path of the infection for some patients. They say, from now on, we need to take measures with the assumption that the number of infections will increase.
Japan has now confirmed more than 400 cases, mostly aboard the quarantined cruise ship. Well, authorities in Japan are still working to get the outbreak under control aboard the Diamond Princess. More than 350 infections have now been confirmed on that ship. That's the largest number of cases outside of mainland China.
We've seen a lot of the passengers in masks out of their balconies getting some fresh air and exercise despite the wind. They've been unable to leave the vessel for nearly 2 weeks now and have spent most of the time confined their cabins. There were originally around 3,700 passengers and crew on board, but the number has come down as the infected are taken to the special hospitals. We've also seen people in protective suits walking on the ground next to the ship as authorities respond to the outbreak. That response entered a new phase overnight. The U.S. became the first government to evacuate its citizens. About 340 passengers were taken off the ship. Those without symptoms are now on chartered flights to 2 military bases in U.S., where they will be kept for 14 days. NHK spoke to one couple on Sunday who were preparing to leave.
Now we're going back out to the adventure again. Not sure what happened to us and putting ourselves in other hands after being comfortable where we are. So, we're glad to be going home.
It's unclear why exactly Washington is taking this step now. But international experts have been criticizing the decision to keep everyone on board, saying the risk of infection is too high. A growing list of other governments are now following suit. Canada, Australia, Hong Kong and Taiwan and several others say they will also evacuate citizens. Japan's Health Ministry says the remaining passengers will be able to leave starting Wednesday if they test negative for the virus. It's unclear how long it will take to get everyone off. Many passengers are asking for a guarantee that they will all be taken off on the same day.
Let's hope that they can get this thing under control because it's really getting out of hand right now. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Catch you later.